Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. Glenn here, Senior Stock Market Strategist. And Thanksgiving's over. Hopefully everybody had a great Thanksgiving, spent time with family, all nice and full. But now it's time for get ready for Christmas. And now we're going to see the Christmas trees go up, presents mysteriously going under the tree, and we're going to hear Mariah Carey telling us she doesn't want much for Christmas. We're going to hear it about 675,432 times. All right, so I'm just preparing you for it ahead of time. I don't know how long I can hear that for, but we're going to hear it a lot. But with that, Christmas time, stocking stuffer stocks. I'm giving you some stocking stuffers. These are all stocks that you already know about, but is it too late to get into them? No. Is it time to get out of them? We're going to talk about that. But these are potential stocks that you can keep in your portfolio right now during the holiday season and make some money. All right, let's get right into my news stories first. And here we go. Start off with Apple. Apple's on the list. Apple iPhone China demand remains firm. U.S. a clear bright spot. Coming down to here, we see that the analysts who gave an outperform and a $240 price target on the stock said their firm's recent Asia supply chain checks remain very firm for the Apple iPhone 15. Looks like this could be a Merry Christmas for Apple this year if China, who's the biggest buyer of everything, buys into the Apple iPhone 15. Next one, Boeing. Man, did you see this story? Boeing receives an order for 6 more MAX, that should be MAX 8S, from Virgin Australia as demand remains strong. Look at this. The latest order brings the airline's total to 14 and the total planned latest generation aircraft to 39. Man, Boeing just keeps getting airplane order after airplane order. I like the stock. How about this? Thai Airways is eyeing an order for as many as 90 jets from either Boeing and Airbus. That's a lot of planes. Boeing is picking up the orders. Now, the problem is with Boeing, are they going to be able to fulfill these contracts for these planes? That's a lot of planes being ordered. Do they have the people and all that kind of stuff to make that happen? But if they keep getting the orders, I still feel good about Boeing. How about this, Palantir? Now, I've talked about Palantir on more than one occasion. It's a stock that I own. I want it to be known. I don't have an agenda for it. I just like what the stock has to offer. They got another contract. And folks, Palantir just keeps getting contract after contract. People are knocking their doors down to get this company to provide services for them. Whether it's a police department, a government agency, a health agency, everybody wants in on what Palantir has to offer. And I got a price prediction for you. You stay to the end of this video. I'm going to give you an actual price prediction. Next one, Palantir. Story. Has Palantir become the best AI stock to buy? Now, AI is what's moving a lot of the Magnificent Seven stocks. But Palantir plays a good role in that they're machine learning to take data and make it into useful information, but using AI. They are like the best of both worlds, which is another reason why I love Palantir. Another stock that I do own. I own Palantir. Everybody knows I love Apple. I don't currently own Apple, but with what I see going on with China, I may be picking up an Apple play. But Palantir is still way high on my list as a stocking stuffer. How about this? Elon Musk prepared to invest $2 billion in an Indian factory. All right, this story just came out today as well. And you know something? With what they are doing, with what Elon is doing with the pricing war with China, it's either going to turn out to be the dumbest thing ever or it's going to be stark genius. All right, he's selling a lot of cars. He's building the factories. He's got the factories to build more and more cars. It's all about selling cars at this point. It's affecting his bottom line with the pricing war with China. But could this be a genius move? I don't know yet, but it made my list. And last, this was the big story this week. Sam Altman got fired from OpenAI. Microsoft said, fine, we'll pick you up. And then they said, OpenAI said, no, we want you back. But a lot of this was infighting between Sam Altman and the board. The board was disbanded, and now it's coming back. How about this? It's coming back as a new board. OpenAI's new board doesn't appear to be fully built. Negotiations are reportedly underway to install representation from who? Microsoft, a big investor in OpenAI, and other major investors as well. That's going to play a big role for Microsoft to get onto that board. If that happens, Microsoft, ChatGPT, OpenAI, Microsoft made my list. All right, let's get into looking at the stocks in a list. Here they are: Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Palantir, and Boeing. As I look, only one stock has the upside to outperform the market over the next 1 to 3 years, and that's Microsoft. Very interesting in this space, right? In the stocks that I've given to you. But 3 out of the 5 stocks consistently make money. That's Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. 4 out of the 5 stocks are in uptrend. That's Microsoft, Apple, Palantir, and Boeing. Tesla, of course, is going to be the one that's lacking in that field because the stock is being adversely affected due to the pricing war with China. VST at or above 1. The only one below 1 is Boeing. Interesting in the aerospace and defense side, right? You look at Boeing, though, fundamentally not sound, is in an uptrend. All of these orders that they're getting are pushing the stock's price higher. Earnings growth, double digits with the exception of Apple. Apple is no longer a growth stock. I still love Apple because of the products and the services. But Apple is no longer in the growth play anymore with a growth at 4. Still positive, though. But all of the other 4 have double-digit earnings growth. All right, let's go look at the graphs. Why? Because the graphs tell the story. Let's go put this on a 3-month graph. You look at that. Microsoft rocking and rolling. OpenAI rocking and rolling with the stock. At a 3-month high right now. If you get a little nervous trading at the 3-month high, take half off the table. If you want to give this OpenAI story some more room, look at the 3 and the 8. I also have a 20-day simple moving average. Love the earnings per share on the stock as well. Let's go to the next one, Apple. I don't have an Apple play right now, but I think the news, if China is really have a big demand for the iPhone 15, that's going to do nothing but pull the stock's price higher. I see a little bit of a shooting star follow through. The 3 and the 8 are still good. You know something? Candlestick pattern could let you know right now. Take half off the table. If you want to give it some more room, give it the 3 and the 8 exponential moving average. Still in uptrend. Look at that trend. Still moving higher. That would be my line in the sand, would be the 20-day simple moving average. Earnings per share definitely rising as well. Let's go to the next one, Tesla. This is my problem kid right here. Tesla, the war, the pricing war, but 3 and 8 are in play, above trend. This is what's going to hurt them, earnings per share. Someone said in my live stream today that Elon's going to run Tesla way down to nothing. I don't think that that's going to happen. I think that they're too entrenched in the EV space. They are still the big guy. No one has yet caught them. So, again, is this move with China, fighting China on the pricing, is this genius or is this stupid? It's still a developing story. Next one, Palantir. All right, everybody listening? You listening? I'm giving a price target of $30 to $40 on Palantir. That's right, I said it. The problem is that they keep getting contract after contract. It needs to turn into tangible dollars. I totally understand that. But for what they do in the space that's a hot space, that's my price target. I'm giving it $30 to $40 as my price target. I'm either going to be right or I'm going to be wrong. If you're currently in it right now, as I am, the 3 has gone below the 8. I'm still going to play the trend. If this can stay above the 20-day, I'm going to stay in it. Earnings, the engine that drives the stock's price higher, is just stair-stepping. All right, so we will keep our eyes on that, but it made my list. And the last one is Boeing. These orders are ridiculous. A lot of money to be made for Boeing. Definitely rising higher. All of this upward move is orders on top of orders on top of orders, earnings per share rising, and those are my 5 stocks. Folks, you know, beginning of the holiday season, this is going to be one of several videos of stocking stuffer stocks. I hope you enjoy it, and please like and share. Share this content. Let's spread the joy of stock investing with the people in your social circles. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted to when the next video comes out. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Holidays are coming up. The biggest shopping holiday is Cyber Monday. It has grown over the years, and VectorVest wants you to be able to take advantage of a sale right here at VectorVest. If you go to www.vectorvest.com/Cyber Monday, we're going to offer you VectorVest, the system, for 99 cents over 30 days. Why is that important? Did you know that VectorVest has outperformed the S&P 500 by over 2,000% over the last 20 years? You're going to be able to analyze any stock in seconds. You're going to be able to rank analyze any watch list that you put together, and you can put your portfolio on autopilot. And guess what, folks? We're going to give you up to 70% off on selected educational courses. Folks, you need to go to www.vectorvest.com/holiday courses. Folks, you need to take advantage of these deals right now.